Welcome back. So I will be giving us the insight on how to enter a signal on your MT5. All right. I believe we already have this application and then we've set it up. If you're still using a demo account, it's okay. It's just for the learning purpose. But if you are using the signal for real accounts, it's still the same thing. Just like the broker you'll be using will be very different. Okay. You have to use broker like XNext, OctaFX, and feel like that, FXTM, FTMO, and we have a couple of them like that. Making sure that you already have your real account here logged in on your MT5. You can as well connect it to your laptop, but then it's always easier using phone to trade. Now, if we have a signal like this, JPY, that's the asset, and we are to buy. The entry zone, white for, you can see that any section. That means this is when we want to enter that trade. The TP1 is there, the TP2 is there, the 3 is there, and then we have our SL 184.771. The risk is high. So this is a live trading signal, but still is for exercise. Okay, I won't be coming back to these notes since I already have it on my own screen, on my laptop screen here. I'll just be checking and then I'll be pasting. When you click on the asset you want to trade, when you click on trade, this is where you can set all the entries type. Sometimes you might actually wait for a trade to trigger itself, like all these buy limit, sell limit, sell stop, buy stop. There's a way we set it, and then let's say you have a signal and then you are with your laptop at that moment, you can still enter that trade. Yeah, you can enter that trade immediately. So depending on what you are doing at the moment. And sometimes in case of news, we don't always want to wait. We kind of set the buy stop, sell stop, just for you to trigger stuff early. Okay, so here you're going to be looking at instant execution. All right, let's say the instant execution, because the entry zone is 184.955. We are not yet there. We can check the proper market that we have here. Okay, joining GJ. So the proper market here, if you should check very well, you can see 184.955. So we are not yet there. You can click on it, click and hold properties, and then you can come here to point and put in the point 1955. All right, see, we are almost on our entry. So let's assume that we are already on our entry. I will just do it this way. I'll just click on buy, right? But then when we check this lot size, this is where you can set your lot size, right? Let's say you want to use let's say one lot size. All right, and then the signal says buy, so we have to click on the buy. That means it's an instant execution. I already click on it and then the trade is active over here. Can we see? Fine. Now I can delete this line, or you come here, this object, you can delete these two lines. Okay, and when you click on your trade, let's say you click on the trade, the SL, with the advancement of MT5 that we are using right now, is easier for you now to set your trade. You can just click on the SL, see the SL, and drag it down, and the SL is 184.771. Can I see that? 0.771. You can just click here before and then, or like when you click on the arrow, the next arrow, you can set your SL here. Sorry, let's do that again. Click on the next arrow and then you can set your SL here, 184.771, modify. So your SL has been modified already. So now you can see this right here, 184.771. so that's where we are. Click on it and then you set your TP, drag up. So your TP 1, 2 or 3 is depending on you, but now we are just going to set the last TP. Or what's the last TP that we have here? We have the last TP to be 186.000. You continue, you paste it here, and then it's modified already. But then you cannot change the entry. Well, you can change your SL. Let's say you're not comfortable with the SL, you think it's too big, you can drag it, and you can see how much you are ready to lose. Can you see? SL says minus $97.79, and that's like 142 points. These have nothing to really do about what we are doing. So for the TP, you see, if the trade gets to the final TP, you are going to be having $688 profit, and while you are risking $157 to this market. So this is that about that. And then we can do something else. So you can just simply cancel your trade. See, you can close everything, or you can reduce the lot size. Let's say this is TP1 already, and then you want to reduce your lot size. You can just take like 0.2 profit. Can you say accept? That it has reduced the ASL, sorry, the lot size that you're using right now. You can still reduce again. Let's say we are now in TP2. It's going to be 0.5, and then again, or you close everything at once if you want. All right, so let's come back here. We are yet to get to that particular price point, price entry, and then you're looking at the fact that you might not be home or you might be busy to make the trade happen. So this I come here and you use buy limit, sell limit, whatever, and then, or you can use this thing, this circle object over here. Can you see circle object over here, buy limit? I think that's the easiest one. Instead of writing figures, drag here. As much as you've already set this thing on your trading view and still doesn't matter, you can just use the figures, the buy limit. Let's put the price here. The price, let's say the price is just like you have it. See the entry zone, right? Paste. We already place it, right? We already place it. And don't forget, that means up from this particular price to this particular price, we can enter any of the prices. So that's what I'm just trying to tell you. And then again, you have to sell your SL. Your SL is 184.771. When you click like this, SL, you drag it down. Sorry. You drag it down. Oh, it's gonna allow us. It's supposed to allow us. Let's say the TP works first. Okay, we can just come here. Let me delete this particular one. Let's use buy stop first. Then still have to like use the proper one that we're supposed to use, but then we check. Let's just drag it down a little bit like this, and then we can easily set our TP and our SL. The reason why I didn't allow was because the entry, this has already entered the entry. Can you see? So, and it's still a buy limit. All right, so we have to just drag it down since it's for example, and then you can easily adjust. You can adjust anything here. Your SL, you can adjust these, you can adjust, and then you can also add to your lot size. See, you can adjust. You can put like as much as 10 lots depending on your account balance that you have in your trading account. So, and then you can place you can place this the buy limit. So anytime this trade gets here, it's going to trigger it automatically, and then we're going to have a buy on this trade. Let's wait if it's going to happen. We have 15 minutes time frame. Let's see if it's going to happen. Hopefully it drops down to the buy limit, and then we're going to have a buy. So this is how we enter a buy limit trade, and you don't have to like stay with your phone all day before you can make this happen. And at the same time, you can enter the sell limit and the buy limit at the same time. You can buy stop, sell stop, and you all have it there. The main thing is understanding how to do it. Okay, I think we are almost triggering it now. Let me go to a lower time frame and see the way it's going to trigger it. We're almost there. And don't forget that we have the ask price and the other ones like that. So you might be seeing like the candle is already there, but it's not yet triggered. So we have to wait a little bit for it to happen. So, and don't forget, this is just all for example. It's just all for example. So your how do I say it? Your broker have a lot of things to do when it comes to your own personal trading. the broker you're using depend, you have to, like, your broker have a lot of impact on all these buy, stop, sell. Or sometimes they manipulate the market and then they're going to shift your order, especially when the market is very volatile. So it happens that way. But in the sense of instant execution, just press your buy and immediately the market is going to do what? The market is going to buy. But I think something here is that we have very lot of volume, lot of lot size, and it might be one of the reasons why we are not having this done. So let's shape down a little bit again, and then we can just just like adjust the SL, the lot size you want to use. But don't forget, on your real account you are not meant to press 10 lots. I'm not really sure, I've not even traded 10 lot myself, so you can easily like enter like 0.1, 0.1 or 0.05, depending on what you are trading and your targets, your loss target, your entry target, and everything like that. So that's about that. Please, if there's any question, just let me know and I'll be glad to give you my information. Thank you.